The 2017 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, smart device integration, HD radio, satellite radio. Come take a test drive today.